My name is 𝗙𝗿𝗺𝗺𝗻𝗆 I am an electrical technician by profession with a passion for farming. This time around, I had come for the dairy course. And the fascinating thing is that we have been taught all that there is in basically dairy farming and adding value to dairy products. And we culminated into going for a field visit. And I'm very happy for Zetech for organizing this kind of training. And we would like to continue running every now and then when they have an opportunity for that kind of thing.
I'm Dr. 𝗙𝗿𝗺𝗺𝗵𝗺 I'm a strategist by profession. This is my third time in Zetech. I took the first course in animal nutrition. I'm doing this one on the profession of dairy farming. And I'm coming back for poultry that started today. Why am I here? I'm here because I want to become a professional farmer. And I also want, when people think farming, when they think professional farming, they think Zetech. I've learned a lot. Today we had an experience with a very young man who is doing agribusiness on a very small portion of land. And that is the experience you want to carry home. That you can make it as long as you have passion for what you're doing. I plan to implement what I've learned from Zetech moving forward and become a great farmer.